Yeah, so perfect. Brand new ferries on a brand new pier. This is how progress looks. And by the way, if you're looking for an attraction, if you want a Disneyland in Bangkok, you can come here for free and enjoy the ferry pier ride. Good morning. It's around 7:30. It's the 13th of April, which means it is the first day of Songkran. I will start today with saying Samari Pimai, Happy New Year. Sundays and Songkran are the best days to ride on a bicycle. And I'm here in Wireless Road, Witayu. And I'm on my way to the river, and I want to give you an update regarding the new river pier station in Silom. The construction at the One Bangkok is progressing quite rapidly. Here on Sathorn Road there is a new office building called Kronos, and I should actually go and have a look there one time. There in front you have the King Power Mahanakon. There are local elections, so you see a lot of election boards here. So for about 2 years straight I've been uploading a video a day, and you might have noticed that lately there are a few less. And the reason is because I started a new channel called Bangkok Expat, and also I wanted to spend a bit more time on editing to get a better production value. So if you're a die-hard fan and you want to keep watching videos every day, then you need to get subscribed to the Bangkok Expat as well. And there I will probably make especially more bicycle videos. I've been biking all the roads of Sukhumvit. I think I'm at Sukhumvit Soi 46 now. I'm here at the Saphan Taksin bridge, the Taksin bridge. And from here you have a nice view over the river, especially of the new pier here. So this is the Silom Pier. This is a huge project where they are actually renovating all the piers along the Chao Phraya River. And I will show you how the pier looks inside now. And then after that I will go towards the Grand Palace, where I will show you a couple of the other piers. The smart ferry is coming in. You see a lot of these electrical ferries now here on the river, which I think is a very good progress, because the ferries are relatively fast and make no noise. By the way, there you have the Four Seasons. And the video that I uploaded 2 days ago, I shot on there with, of course, the rooftop with the swimming pool. Let me show you the pier from the river level. So this is how the new pier looks. I think they made it quite nice. And this is quite the upgrade. There's a ferry coming in. As you can hear, there is no noise. I always like to say that. Yeah, so perfect. Brand new ferries on a brand new pier. This is how progress looks. And by the way, if you're looking for an attraction, if you want a Disneyland in Bangkok, you can come here for free and enjoy the ferry pier ride. And you have a lot of these little ferries, like this one is from the watermark, that ferry the guests that live or stay in the hotel across the river. So let me show you a bit more inside. Yeah, I'm always happy to show the new updates and progress in the city. From here you can also take the ferry boat towards the Asiatique. You see, now you have proper waiting space here, a lot of seating. The Mine Smart Ferry, that's the ferry that we just saw passing by. Monday till Sunday from 6 till 6. So here you can see there are still some of the older ferries going. Yeah, these are the regular boats that many people use to get to work. And this goes all the way to Nonthaburi, and some of them even go to Koh Kret. Nice morning on the river, I'm enjoying myself. Great views here. Let me jump on my bicycle and I'm gonna follow the river, and I will show you a couple other ferry piers. I was worried that he might be stuck, but these guys are scavengers. They can get around anything. And into the river he goes. Here we are at the second pier that I wanted to show you an update about. And you might remember when I came here like 6 months ago to give an update regarding the floodings. So then this was all under construction, but now it's all ready. Right here on the river next to the Sheraton Hotel. This is the Phraya Pier. Across the river from the icon Siam. From here you have a nice view. If you're in Bangkok, one of the nice things that you can do is rent one of these small boats. And across the river in the Thonburi area there are a lot of canals. And this is a great way to spend a couple of hours. The river is lovely today. It's nice and fresh. Of course, it's early morning. There you have the river city. This is the N6 Memorial Bridge Pier. And this doesn't really qualify under the new piers because this has been renovated already a couple of years ago. But I wanted to show it anyway because it's quite a distinctive type of building. It's next to the Memorial Bridge. So let me show you a bit on the inside here. The roof tiles are very nice. So there you have the Sky Park, and that's basically an old BTS line that was never used, and the bridge was there already, so they turned it into a park. So this pier is next to the Yot Piman River Walk. It should be ready in about 2 months. So let's have a quick peek upstairs. The construction is almost finished. the pier is already ready here, and this is quite a modern structure. There across the river you have the Wat Arun, and there's a Navy base. Inside that temple building there is a huge sitting Buddha. So we're looking over the Thonburi area here. Here you have a nice view of the Yot Piman River walk. With this little ferry you can cross the river. So from this pier you can connect directly with the Sanam Chai MRT station. It's just a 100 meters walk. This is the last pier that I want to show you today, which is the Chang Pier, and this is next to the Grand Palace. So if you take a ferry from where we just started, from the Sathorn Pier to the Grand Palace, you will end up here. And this is all new constructions as well. So here you can take the boat to Pak Pret. As you can see, they have all these new floats here, perfect. There you have the Thonburi train station. So let me show you quickly how you can walk towards the Grand Palace. From this pier it's just a short walk towards the Grand Palace. A couple of months ago they opened a new underpass, and there's going to be a whole modern underpass all the way towards the Grand Palace, but I noticed that today it's closed. But as you can see, an easy walk. So the river actually connects a lot of interesting places. You can go towards the Yot Piman River walk. You can connect with the MRT, and then here you can get towards the Grand Palace. See, the tunnel is closed at the moment. I think it's because it's a holiday. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new constructions on the river. I think it's a big improvement, a big upgrade. Everything looks a lot more modern. You have the modern boats, the modern facilities where you can sit and wait for the boat. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.